Alaikum salam. Ma'am, is this our last class of the term?
Yeah, today is the last day for the before the term exam.
Okay.
Shakira, Hanan, Zaira, all of you turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
But I can't see your cam.
I don't know.
Hi, Nuha, Hanan, Ifa. Yes, Nuha, on your camera. Hanan,
Good
yours.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, very good morning to one and all. Hanan, you please turn on your cam. Can I take few minutes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Okay. So Hanan, Zaira, on your camera. Yes. Yeah, Alhamdulillah. We are almost over. This is the last day for before the term exam. So how is your studies going, dears? Your
Um,
revisions, your
yeah.
assignments, everything is okay?
Yeah,
Going
ma'am,
well?
that Arabic one assignment is there that I can't
Yeah.
submit. Time is
I
over.
think the due date is almost over. Which one is that?
It's the one where you put the hadith for Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Okay. Yeah,
That
I'll
one
see.
I did.
Okay, okay. I'll change the date, due date. Just try to complete today itself, Ipa.
Yeah, I'm already done. I just need to submit it.
Okay, yes, yes. So yeah, the portions are over. So you are all moving to the revision classes. So wish you all the very best for your exam, term exam. Okay, study well. Complete your all pending assignments and work. Okay, enjoy your days also. Have a great day to you all. Bye. See you.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you in exam.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.